Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I show you how to enable Bing Wallpapers and change them daily with just one tap on iPadOS 16, iOS 16 or later, without installing any apps from the App Store, dealing with ads or paying for subscriptions. We'll use the built-in Shortcuts app to make it happen. Pro tip: make sure to disable wallpaper blurring in the Shortcuts settings for the best results. This should work on any iOS or iPadOS device with the Shortcuts app. You can find the link to download this shortcut in the video description. Thanks for watching.